guys, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to freeze frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. At first, position the time worker on the timeline to where you want to freeze your frame. Now right-click your clip and select Insert Frame Hold segment. This will insert a 2-second frame hold at the time marker's position. So that's it. Now play the video and you will see the freeze frame. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.